Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how the USA was made. We'll start by looking at the initial European explorations and the establishment of the first colonies. These early settlements, often driven by economic and religious motives, laid the groundwork for future development. Over time, 13 distinct colonies emerged along the Atlantic coast, each with unique characteristics but shared experiences under colonial rule. Next, we'll explore the growing tensions that led to the American Revolution. Disagreements over taxation and representation fueled widespread unrest among the colonists. This eventually escalated into a full-scale war for independence against Great Britain. The courage and determination of the colonists ultimately secured their freedom, paving the way for a new, self-governing nation. Following independence, the newly formed states faced the challenge of creating a stable government. The initial attempt, the Articles of Confederation, proved insufficient. This led to the drafting of the United States Constitution, a landmark document that established a strong federal system with three balanced branches of power. This framework has guided the nation ever since. Finally, we'll discuss the remarkable growth and expansion of the United States. From its original 13 states, the nation steadily acquired vast new territories through purchases and diplomatic efforts. This westward movement brought new opportunities and challenges, shaping the country's identity and extending its influence across the continent. The story of America is one of continuous evolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.